Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Writesonic for ad creation automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type writesonic.com and press enter. Once the Writesonic homepage loads, look for a prominent sign up button. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a secure password that meets the site's requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. After filling in the necessary information, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and locate the verification message from Writesonic. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Writesonic website to complete your profile. Once redirected, you may be asked to fill in additional details such as your name and company information. Fill out the required fields and proceed. You will then see different subscription plans available. Review the plans to find one that suits your ad creation needs. Select your preferred plan by clicking on the corresponding button. You may be prompted to enter payment details. Provide the necessary payment information as instructed. Once your payment is processed, your subscription will be activated. You can now log in to your Writesonic account. Explore the ad creation tools available to you within your new subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to start creating automated ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.